for those of you that don't really understand car stereo repair, here we have a nice 7.2 inch Panasonic CW100, and I'm going to show you the proper way to execute a repair on it. The first thing you want to do is take it someplace, preferably with a hard surface, and from about shoulder high, do that. Okay? As soon as you get it opened up, as you can see the LCD screen and the back of the stereo, you can go ahead and take something like this and start down like that and get open, and then you get the CD player back where you need it. Then you get to the component level. Now the component level is where you really want to take your time, because as you can see, there's a lot. I should have this one in pretty good shape now. Yeah, I think I see the problem. Well, actually, that right there may have it, and if I turn it over, just to make sure, it goes there, and the screen is not busted at all. So we'll fix that, and just make sure there's nothing that can be, reused on it. Let's see. Looks like the CD player. Yes, it is. It's done. Okay. I believe I have that fixed. And that's as far as my electrical engineering degree has taken to fix this stereo right here. A few more components there, and then kick it to the side. That should be it.